Sorry, miss. Under 5 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Here's Tubit. Open 3. Tubit again. He needs help. Hatfield. And Ginebra will reset. Nice pass inside, and Miller. Basket won't count. Referee Art Herrera says it's an offensive foul.
So Miller had the position to score, but he turned the wrong way. You watch it here. That's the turn. You know, if he turned the other way, he would have had an easy shot.
Mike Cortez and Billy Mamarel are now in the game para sa Ginebra. Shot clock down to 7. Aluseni. Short. Wesley Gonzalez with a rebound. Put back, no go. And after 3 tries, Air 21 unsuccessful. And here's Ronald Tubid.
And that's why people say Barangay Ginebra is a never say die team. And they never gave up in getting that defensive rebound kanina sa dami ng mga second chance opportunities ng Air 21. Finally, it was Rudy Hatfield claiming the defensive rebound.
One thing about Ronald Tubid, you can never accuse him of being predictable, of being boring, of lacking in emotion.
You know, he gives up a lot of size playing the number 3 spot. And look at the matchup here. Si Tubid is guarding Wesley Gonzalez, who has a nice height advantage over him. But you know, he makes up for it in so many ways because he plays much taller than his size.
Shot clock down to 4. And again, Aluseni comes up short. Here comes Tubit on the move. He steps on the gas and all goes all the way. And Tubit already in double figures with 10 points. And Air 21 fortunate.
And you know what's
still have the basketball here.
Nico, what's so evident here is the way Ginebra has really clamped down defensively on that man who just wasn't able to reach out for that ball. Ronjay Buenafe has hit, ano ba ang puntos ni Buenafe? He's only hit 2 points, but he has hardly touched the ball, Nico. They played good denial defense on him.
Back in a moment.
It's a matter na of the sacrifice of the player. Sa kanila naman yung sakripisyong yun na maski konti ang minuto na nakukuha nila sa pagpasok nila, bibigay nila yung lahat na kaya nilang ibigay. That's important sa team chemistry. So, pag maganda na ro yung isa, they're happy for that other player na maganda yun nila. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na nga yung chemistry namin since we had really trouble in the last conference. But now I think we're getting there.
Well, Joe Chico, very candid, sharing about yung kanilang issues with team chemistry. It's never easy when you have so many talented players playing the same position, being strong in the same categories, playing under one roof. It has never been easy. In the history of basketball, it has never been easy.
When you're surrounded by all-stars, a team that is loaded, fully loaded like Ginebra's team, chemistry will always be a problem. But there's one solution to a chemistry issue. That's if you keep winning. And if you keep winning, people are going to be happy. And they're going to be willing to share the ball because results will be very positive. By the way, Mr. Green Shoes is now on the floor. Pambihira yan, ha?
Turn around, Kidya no go. Another rebound para kay Rudy Hatfield. Now here's Mark Tagiwas in the game for the first time. Tubid has been red hot. Billy Mamaril trying his best to keep that ball alive. And here's the snatcher, Willie Arboleda, now part of this ball game. Wesley Gonzalez fires a 3 air ball.
And Hatfield with another board. He's got 8. And we're just in the first quarter. Boy, he's working so hard.
Kailan ba hindi?
Oh.
Kailangan ba nakita pumetik si Rudy Hatfield?
He's a workhorse. There he is again.
There he is again.
Offensive
9 rebounds.
And the putback. You know, I wonder if his wife is already in town. He told me that his inspiration, his wife was coming over for 2 weeks to visit him from the U.S. because he's playing very inspired.
Buenafe. You know, Buenafe has been hounded by Ginebra's backcourt as we check our Explode energy drink. Animal sa lakas play of the quarter featuring Ronald Tubid. Tubid already with 10 points in the opening quarter has been animalistic so far, to say the least.
And how do you stop a player like that? Floating in the air, suspending himself. You see the marks on his neck?
Yung sa mukha niya, hindi tattoo yun, ha? Balbas sarado lang siya, ha? Ayan, si Tubid, no? Sometimes I don't know how, hindi ko ano kung gusto niya gawin sa facial hair niya. No? Minsan, patilya lang. Minsan, kompleto, balbas sarado. Minsan, mutton chops. Goatee kung minsan.
He's a man of 1,000 faces.
Kung minsan, maganda siguro yung, unibrow. Yung isa lang kilay.
Buti nga, yun, nandiyan pa eh.
Okay, nakaligtas ako eh, nung last game. Now here's Cortez.
By the way, the PBA's #1 overall draft pick is now on the court. Looks like someone got clipped there.
It's Jimbo Aquino, the rookie.
Yeah, Jimbo Aquino just threw up that ball, but there was no call.
Well, if you're a rookie, you rarely expect to get a call.
Yeah. And you know, for Carlos Sharma, that jump hook, that's been a patented shot of his. As you see, a transition basket coming from Mike Cortez.
Here's Sharba, soft touch, no go. 25-17, Ginebra, lumalayo dito sa mga huling bahagi ng opening quarter. Kagiwa zigzagging inside. Air 21 can write the last sentence of the opening chapter. We're very much aware of that. 10 seconds remaining in the opening period. Buenafe wants a clear out against Mike Cortez. It's Ron J. Buenafe against the Cool Cat. Billy Mamaril with a gentle tap on the shoulder.
Well, wala pa naman sa penalty. But you see the shiftiness of Ron J. Buenafe. There were 2 Ginebra defenders on him, and he found the opening to put the ball on the floor. Without that foul, he would have gone straight in.
Kaya nga kinalabit na ni Mamaril si Buenafe. Saka pupunta. Alon Jimbo Aquino is first. And 1 second to go. Oh, that's close. They'll review that. Just in case it counts, that will cut down Ginebra's lead to 6 points. But we'll wait for the final verdict. Here's that shot once again from Leona Horda.
Remember, 0.9 of a second on the clock. You know, that's a lot of time. That can't be 0.9. Oh, let's see. When he released, was there light?
Very close, huh?
Yeah, there was no light.
You're right.
Huh?
0.9, dapat pagkahawak pa lang eh.
Nagtitik na yun.
Tuma-under na, no?
Okay, they do not count it.
They won't count it.
Impossible. You know, the way he got that ball, there was a defender who made him think twice, and then he went up for the shot. Impossible. Not in 0.9 of a second.
If the dean says so, I believe it. 25-17, Ginebra on top. But Ronje Buenafe has been red hot para sa Air 21 in the tournament. He's always had the offensive gifts. Such a talented scorer. And he's been on fire. In their last game, he had 28 points. He was very instrumental in that Air 21 comeback. That's why they won the game. But so far here, in this ball game, pinapahirapan siya ng todo-todo. Ng depensa ng Ginebra. He's had to earn his 4 points in this game. Now here's Donoy Baclao. He's very good at cashing in on those openings inside, cutting it at the right time. Lead time is 1 baril as we begin action here in the second period. You're watching PBA Friday dito sa Solar TV. Vico Halili kasama El Decano, Senyor Kinito Edzon, at kasama rin natin si Chicky Shogun Reyes.
Rolling foul number 4, Jimbo Mino. Yes, second first team foul for Barangay Nevertheless.
Chicky, of course, part-time courtside reporter and part-time mixed martial arts lookalike. And here's Cortez.
That lane is too congested. That defense of Barangay Ginebra is airtight.
Oh, nice pass.
Oh, beautiful
What a nicer block.
There we go again. Binoy Baclao. B standing for either Baclao or Black. Watch it right here.
Look, he's so menacing on defense. That's why we're calling him Binoy.
The Binoy.
Here's Mamaril. Oh, blocked by Sharma. I tell you, the interior defense of Air 21 getting such an upgrade with the entry of Baclao as well as Rabah Hussein.
But the good thing for Barangay Ginebra is that they're not intimidated. I mean, they're still taking those shots, which is good. Shows the effort. But they might want to kick the ball out also once in a while. Get the guards to start loading up from the outside.
Here's Jimbo. Nice fake. Jimbo Aquino. Ray Guevara is now part of this ball game. Third overall pick in this year's draft.
And he's a player who really hasn't broken out. Look at that mismatch right there. And that's why there was a double team to help
Nice
out.
pass.
Oh yes, beautiful pass. You know, good court awareness on the part of Binoy. He was double teamed and Sharma moving in close to the basket, getting the 2 points.
Another block. Number 2 already. Para kay Baclao.
He has that uncanny ability. Anticipation.
As the Horda will miss, rebound para kay Cortez. Ginebra still on top by 4 points. Cortez, he had nowhere to go.
Here's Yancy Del Campo, who sat out the last 3 games.
Ashay Mashe, Chigi.
Thank you very much, Miko. You know, in the last huddle of Air 21, Coach Yang made 4 clear instructions. First, if someone gets hot from Ginebra, someone from Air 21 has to take responsibility. Second, the trap they're doing is good, but the rotation has to be quicker. Third, posisyonan ng laban dito, so don't let the big men of Ginebra get their way in the paint. And lastly, he wants Winnie Arboleda to continue the pace set by Josh Urbistondo. Miko?
Arigato. Meantime, here's Jimbo Aquino fighting for that basketball. And Cortez inside. Specialty of the house.
Finding the right angle to put the ball off the glass. Ginebra now playing with a 2-3 zone defense. But the entry of Yancy Del Campo gives him a lot of wingspan in the center position.
So that's an air ball mula kay Winnie Arboleda. 8.5 remaining dito sa first half. Ginebra still on top by 6 points. Here's Kagiwa. Wilson.
Fishing for the foul. Couple of fakes. Binoy bit.
One for the Air 21 Express. Two free throws, William Wilson.
Ikaw ba'y nagpaalam na sa mga magulang ni Nonoy na binigyan mo siya ng bagong palayaw?
I'm sure naman they will feel very honored with a nickname like that. That sounds very close to the nickname of our president.
Oo.
It's a big honor. Tsaka yung Binoy pwedeng Black
Black?
Noy or Baclao
Baclao.
Noy. B, pwede na yun.
Bait. Ha? Bangis.
Yan, no? Marami.
Bigatin. Yeah. We can go on and on. Pagsakton si Guevara, and here comes Kagiwa.